Aladdin Creations.
Hello friends, welcome to Aladdin Creations. My name is Kavindu. In this short video, I am going to discuss with you another specific type of cells called myeloblasts. So in this video, I hope to discuss with you what are myeloblasts, morphology of myeloblasts, and in which conditions we can see this specific type of cell. So let's begin. Myeloblasts is a type of immature blood cell found in bone marrow. As an average, it is about 5% of total cell in bone marrow in healthy individual. So it is not normally found in peripheral blood. Therefore, myeloblasts give rise to white blood cells of granulocytic series such as neutrophil, eosinophil, and basophils. So these myeloblasts are the youngest cell in myeloid lineage. Then they can develop into promyelocyte, myelocyte, metamyelocyte, band cell, and mature cells. So the development of granulocytes from myeloblasts is called as granulopoiesis. When we consider morphology of myeloblasts, they are round to oval in shape, diameter between 14 to 18 micrometer. Centrally located S, C or V-shaped nuclei that have less dense chromatin. Therefore, we can see 3 or more visible nucleoli with well-defined nuclear membrane, and they have relatively small basophilic cytoplasm. Usually, cytoplasmic granule cannot be seen in myeloblast, but leukemic myeloblasts may contain few granules or avarods, which consist primary granules. Therefore, the presence of characteristic avarods indicate the malignant condition. The cytoplasmic membrane tends to be regular without much tendon, bumps, pseudopods, or shedding. Formation of abnormal myeloid precursor cell including myeloblasts in blood and bone marrow can lead to acute myeloblastic leukemia. It results in reduction of thrombopoiesis and erythropoiesis as well. Thus, anemia, bleeding, and recurrent infection are more common among those people. However, it is necessary to differentiate myeloblasts from lymphoblasts, especially in leukemia conditions. So friends, in my next video, I hope to discuss the difference between these myeloblasts and lymphoblasts. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit bell icon for update with more medical laboratory science related videos like this. Thank you.